Alright, so the wall layer is its own special toolkit, and you'll notice if you're not already on the wall layer, if you were on another layer and then swap and you click wall, it'll automatically change the tile set to you to all the different wall tiles you're going to use. Couple things to be aware of. Down here, these represent some of the different settings for the wall layer. Just know you can never, if you ever go to the wall layer and you're not placing tiles and you're wondering why, make sure that you have one of these selected and not the blank one. Alright, and then also down here, if you see this little selection box here, make sure that the furthest most left one is clicked because that's what allows you to place solid wall. So that's just a real quick thing to be aware of. The next thing to be aware of is over here in the map view, you'll see these dotted lines. These dotted lines are like guidelines for how the tile is going to be placed on the map. The two small rectangles at the bottom that you see here, those represent the edge and where the engine is going to place the attribute tiles so characters can't walk through the wall. And then the larger square is where the tile is actually going to be placed. So a couple quick hotkeys is so shift mode off will automatically place no way walls. So characters can't walk through either side of these walls. If you turn shift mode on, however, it will allow you to place one-way walls that will allow characters to walk through either one side or the other. The way to pick which side they can walk through, you can see when you have the box here, if you mouse just a little bit to the edge, you can pick which one of the one-way wall attributes that you want. It's just you just gotta be a little bit careful with it. Now, one helpful thing is that when you have that picked, like if I want to place this one, you can hold Alt, and Alt will lock in no matter where else you move the mouse, it'll lock in that particular wall direction, like either X or Y. Just for example, so let's say I want to go vertical. So we have our big box in the middle. I go to the left of it or to the right of it, depending on what edge you want to make. I hold Alt, and then I can drag anywhere, and it'll create an automatic vertical wall for me. Control doesn't have any other functionality on this, so Control left click doesn't do anything, but Control right click will help you just delete the whole map. That's pretty standard for all of it. Another thing to be aware of on this one is that you can change the height of walls with H and B. So if I hit H, now I can draw a wall that's too high. If I hit H two more times, I can draw a wall that's 4 tiles high. And this goes up to a total of 6 tiles high, so the maximum height that you can draw will be 6 tiles. Um, Likewise, if you hit H again, it'll reset, but you can also hit B. So H will go up, B will go down, and that's pretty much it for the rest of the hotkeys. We're going to get in a little bit more settings and build a building later.